How to find community courses on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find community courses on Memrise. Now, community courses are courses that are peculiar to your speaking languages, alright? Courses that people in your community choose. So how did you find them? Once you're on your Memrise account page, move to the top left corner of the screen, click on the flag icon of the language that you're learning, and then move to the bottom part, click on add. Then by clicking on add, you can see the I speak drop down showcasing different languages that you speak. No, now the next step would be for you to select your source language. Your source language will determine the kind of languages that will be displayed to you, all right, based on the community. So for example, I'm going to select Dutch, and then by selecting Dutch, you can see that the list of languages that of courses that are available to me changed immediately, and they are limited in size in comparison to the English speakers. So the next step will be for you to select the language that you speak, all right, and then all of the courses under the language that you speak shows your community courses. So you can just go ahead to explore the available categories, the available community available courses based on your speaking language, and you are good to go. So that is it. This is basically it. This is how you can find community courses on Memrise. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching and have a good day.